Yeah, this car here runs off of 100% waste cooking oil. I've driven it around roughly 200,000 miles on waste cooking oil. The car has around 600,000 miles on it. Bought it for $1,400. Haven't paid for fuel since November of 2011. So as you see here, I got my conversion. These are the fuel lines. They used to go to the tank, but now these are my tanks now. I have no fuel tank in the back. It was a diesel. It's a diesel Mercedes, and runs off of 100% waste cooking oil. I could run it off diesel probably if I wanted to, but why pay for fuel? So one of these jugs, these are QBs. They hold about 5 gallons worth of cooking oil. I get about 25 miles per gallon. So right there we got two of them. That's about 225 miles I can go, or 250. I just picked up a bunch of waste cooking oil from a restaurant here. You see I got 6 of them. So with that said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter the oil before I put them back into these things. I'm going to filter it through a pair of jeans. I tie a knot in the end of the jean leg, and then you can then I pour the oil through. You know, it gets all the sediments out, and then I'm ready to run. It just doesn't work in cold weather, but I'm in a warm climate at Tampa, Florida. You can see the seat has about 600,000 miles on it. It's worn out. Everything inside this vehicle is worn out, but the engine just keeps on trucking. So yeah, you can also see some of these videos on my channel. You see the door is messed up. Hadn't been washed in 8 years. These kids were giving free car washes out, so I took advantage of it, but they didn't do that good of a job. But hey, I paid them $10, and donation to the PV football team. This is one of the best car, I think, and I will argue this is the best car ever made in terms of the durability of the engine. You're talking, 600,000 miles, and the best part is you don't even have to pay for fuel. So you really can't beat that. Buying a car for $1,400, driving it 200,000 miles for free, makes you think: is that the car or me, the driver? That's pretty much all I got to say.